Short answer, no. No, brand does not matter. Most of the brands out there are going to use the same equipment manufacturer, part manufacturers. So Copeland, GE, Emerson, and all the many different manufacturers they use, they're all going to use the same parts on the inside. What I tell homeowners and even my friends and family when they're looking at replacing it is don't worry about the brand. Go with the company you trust the most and you feel the most comfortable with. And then use their brand. Don't ask them to do a different brand that they don't normally sell, because then what happens is it's going to create a delay in getting parts when they need to come back and repair it. So where they're using the brand they normally sell, they've built a relationship with the supply house, they're able to stock those parts, get those parts quickly, and get your AC or heater back up and running as quickly as possible.